What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what is on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So here it is, and yeah, if you're new, hi, I'm Kensy, and I do all kinds of different sorts of videos. If you are ready to start the new year with some new feed, then go down below and hit that subscribe button, and while you're down there you can go ahead and turn on post notifications so that you can get notified when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up if you are excited to start 2020 off, and if you're doing good so far on your New Year's resolutions. Anyways, not much more to say, so let's just hop right in. Okay, so not much to say, but basically this is where my screen will be. So yes, so when you first get onto my phone, the home screen is just FaceTime, calendar, photos, camera, clock, maps, weather, reminders, mail, notes, books, and app store. And then there's a folder with just some random apps that Apple gives you when you buy the phone, and then settings and contacts. This is basically the screen that I just use apps that I sometimes use but not often at all. So like FaceTime, you know, if I'm FaceTiming someone, calendar, not that exciting, photos, not that much, and then yeah, it's just that. So anyways, when you swipe over, I have found my iPhone, and then I have this little folder titled Extra. So this is just kind of my extra apps. So I have iTunes Store, shortcuts, files, tips, calculator, measure, compass, voice memos, roller, splat, and this is kind of where I keep my games too. So I also have Mario Kart, a cat game, Minecraft, DMV Genie for studying for getting the driver's license, Facebook, and GIF keyboard. I also have the Apple Watch app, so this is just where I can control whatever home screen and things that my Apple Watch is. I usually like to use this one, and then I change the colors every now and then. I think we'll go with purple today. I try to change them like pretty often to match my outfits. Then we have App Store, and then we have this folder titled Editing. This is just kind of things for YouTube, and also the apps Apple gives you that help you with like school stuff, you know. So I have Pages, Numbers, iMovie, GarageBand, Clips, Keynote. Then I have YouTube Studio, Fonta, and Lightroom. So YouTube Studio is where I make my videos published, and Fonta and Lightroom is how I edit my thumbnails. So yeah. Then I have my Weather Channel app, Schoology, which is my app to keep track of all my school stuff. And then I have Snapchat, and then this row is all of my social medias that I use a lot. So it's TikTok, Instagram, Spotify, and Pinterest. So basically just apps that I use a lot. And then under health, I have workout, women, health, and activity is connected to my Apple Watch, and actually today I haven't done anything, so that's a little sad, but basically I just try to meet my workout goal every day, and sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but most of the time I do. So that's that. Then I have Quizlet, which is also a school app, and it's actually amazing. You can make flashcards on there instead of actually doing it on paper and use them to study. So like I use it for Spanish and all kinds of stuff. You can go to flashcards, and then you can, you know, to teach is enseñar, never is nunca, and it's just all kinds of other ones that you can study. It's a really great studying tool. So next I have this folder titled Shopping, and this is where I have Amazon, iTunes, Romway, Poshmark, and Urban Outfitters. To be honest, I don't exactly shop at all of these. I always use Amazon, but I don't really use Poshmark, and I just look at Romway and Urban Outfitters to see clothes that I could try to style or get thrifting. And yeah, so basically that's that. And then I have Netflix and VSCO. So that's all I have. So now I guess we can go check notes. So in my notes, this is my layout for every YouTube video that I upload. It's a like a template that I use. So I just sub in and out, And then this is things I still needed to do before I went to the beach. So I needed to take care of my hamster and pack my clothes. Then I have a meal schedule that I tried to follow at some time, but wasn't working. Then I have a happy birthday to my friend. And then I have a 20-minute workout and a 10-minute workout routine. So, yeah, that's about it. That's really all I do. I don't play many games on my phone. Checking the weather and social media is about all I do. But I do scroll on TikTok for hours at a time. And then my wallpaper is this. It's a cheetah print with some blue, some pink, and some clouds. And then when you swipe up, then it's just cheetah print, and it kind of matches my home screen because there's cheetah there. So, and then on my phone case, I just have this clear one I got, but I'm getting one from Wildflower soon. And I just have this Crocs tag and some money in there, so not that exciting. And then I guess I can show you guys my Apple Watch. It was charging, but so basically I have everything in this purpley color. So I want to log into that. It's just, well, just a bunch of apps like Messages, Phone, Spotify, and there's Activity. So that's like the only apps I use on that. That's all I have. So. Okay, so that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I have some cool videos planned, and including some stuff with my room. So I hope you guys will be looking forward to that. And anyways, that's all I have for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, see you next time. Kensy out.